Your doors do more than just separate rooms or provide an entrance to your home. They enhance your home's curb appeal, contribute to its energy efficiency, and, most importantly, ensure your safety. However, over time, wear and tear can take a toll on them. Knowing when it's time to replace a door is crucial to maintaining the comfort, security, and appearance of your home. In this article, we'll explore the top signs that it might be time for a door replacement in Birmingham. Visible damage or wear. One of the most obvious signs it's time for a door replacement is visible damage. Whether it's a cracked wooden frame, a dented metal surface, or a shattered glass panel, these types of damage are not only unsightly but can also compromise the functionality of the door. A door with visible damage can make your home look neglected, and if it's a front door, it could impact your home's curb appeal. Additionally, damaged doors are more vulnerable to security risks, as they might not close properly or lock securely. Difficulty opening and closing. If you've noticed that your doors are sticking, difficult to open, or require extra effort to close, it could be a sign of underlying issues. In older homes, the foundation might shift, leading to misaligned door frames. Over time, weather conditions, humidity, and wear can cause the door to warp or sag. This can make it hard to open or close, and it could even lead to the door not sealing properly. A door that doesn't open and close smoothly can also be frustrating to use, reducing your overall convenience. Drafts or poor insulation. Another clear sign it might be time for a new door is if you're experiencing drafts in your home. If your energy bills have been increasing, it could be because your door is no longer sealing properly, allowing air to leak in or out. A door that doesn't insulate well can affect your home's energy efficiency, leading to higher heating or cooling costs. Newer doors are designed to be more energy efficient, offering better insulation that helps regulate the temperature inside your home. If you notice drafts or a sudden increase in energy expenses, it may be time for a replacement. Fading or discoloration. Over time, the elements can cause the exterior doors of your home to fade or discolor. Whether it's the harsh Birmingham weather with its rain or the intense summer sun, these environmental factors can cause the door's finish to wear away. This not only affects the aesthetic appeal of your home but can also lead to the deterioration of the door material. A faded or discolored door could be an indicator that it's time for a replacement, especially if the damage is extensive and beyond simple maintenance or touch-ups. Increased noise levels. If you've noticed that your home seems louder than usual, your doors might be to blame. Older doors or poorly insulated doors can let in more noise from the outside. If you live in a noisy area of Birmingham or near a busy street, the right door can make a significant difference in reducing the amount of sound that enters your home. Upgrading to a solid, well-insulated door can improve your home's comfort level by keeping unwanted sounds at bay, ensuring peace and quiet indoors. Security concerns. Your door plays a crucial role in securing your home. If the locks are old, the frame is weak, or the door itself is damaged, it could compromise the safety of your household. Security is a key concern for homeowners, and if your door no longer offers the level of protection it once did, it's time to consider a replacement. Modern doors are built with advanced security features, including stronger materials, better locking mechanisms, and enhanced resistance to break-ins. Replacing your door can give you peace of mind, knowing that your home is safe and secure. Outdated style. If you're considering a home renovation or simply want to update the look of your property, replacing an old, outdated door can provide an instant facelift to your home. Doors come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose one that complements your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a sleek modern design, or a more rustic feel, upgrading your door can improve the overall look of your home and increase its value. Conclusion. A door replacement in Birmingham might seem like a significant investment, but it offers a variety of benefits, from enhanced security to improved energy efficiency. Keep an eye out for these signs: visible damage, difficulty operating the door, drafts, fading, increased noise, and security concerns. If you notice any of these issues, it's worth considering a replacement to restore your home's function, comfort, and curb appeal. With so many styles and options available, you're sure to find a door that meets your needs and enhances the beauty and security of your home.